Inta Tadavai, a composition of the saint Annamacharya. Alimelumanga, Lord Venkateshwara's consort, is in a happy, wistful state. She is waiting for the Lord to come. So intense is her longing for the Lord that anybody's footsteps she hears, her heart jumps. And she feels no dearth of the Lord's love anyway, and she even feels His presence all around her. Yet she longs for Him. Eppudu Gani Radu, an Annamacharya Kirtana, set to music and sung by late Srimati Vakkalanka Sarala and choreographed by me, Yashoda Thakur.
కాలి చప్పుడలకించి మతి జల్లురనెనమ్మా ఎప్పుడగాని రాడో ఎంత తడవాయ కాలి చప్పుడ మతి